The Kind Queen and the Lost Bird. Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a gentle and kind queen named Elara. She ruled over her land with love and care, always thinking of her people's happiness. Queen Elara's castle was high on a hill, surrounded by beautiful gardens and sparkling streams. The people of the kingdom adored her because she always helped those in need. One bright and sunny afternoon, as Queen Elara was walking through her royal garden, she heard a soft, sad chirp. Looking around, she saw a little bird with colorful feathers sitting on the ground, looking lost. "Oh dear, little bird," said Queen Elara, kneeling down. "What has happened? Why are you all alone?" The little bird chirped again, flapping its wings helplessly. It had been separated from its family during a strong wind and didn't know how to get back home. Queen Elara's heart filled with compassion. She gently picked up the bird and cradled it in her hands. "Don't worry, little one. We will find your family." She carried the bird through the kingdom, asking the people if they had seen any birds with bright blue feathers like the little one. But no one had seen them. Queen Elara did not give up. She walked farther into the forest, calling out softly, "Little bird's family, where are you?" After a while, they reached a quiet meadow. The wind rustled through the trees, and suddenly, the little bird began chirping loudly, flapping its wings excitedly. There, in the distance, were other birds, just like it, calling back. The little bird flapped its wings and flew towards its family, chirping happily. The other birds surrounded it, and they all sang a joyful tune. Queen Elara smiled warmly, feeling her heart swell with happiness. "I'm so glad you're back where you belong," she said. The little bird flew back to her for one last chirp, as if saying, "Thank you." Then it flew back to its family, safe and sound. Queen Elara returned to her castle, knowing that sometimes helping others was the greatest adventure of all. From that day on, the people of the kingdom loved her even more, for they knew that their queen's heart was as kind as her beautiful kingdom. And so, every time the wind whispered through the trees, the birds would sing songs of the kind queen who helped a lost bird find its way home. The end. Sweet dreams, and may you always have a heart as kind as Queen Elara's. Mata.